true. It all feels new now that I found you. I never knew it would come true. It all feels new now that I found you.
Trim sideburns and the back of the neck with electric clippers. Adjust hair volume at hair roots to make hair fluffy.
Summer's in the air. Everything just feels so right. I see the distant stairs, but love is on my mind. Just come a little closer, don't overthink too much. The music's taking over.
Cut the length with combination of Vern styling scissors for contour lines. It creates natural effect without hard lines at hair ends.
I never knew it would come true. It all feels new now that I found you.
Using scissors over comb. Trim the hair ends on top. The length difference after cutting can immediately create three-dimensional effect for this hairstyle.
I never knew it would come true. It all feels new now that I found you.
Just simple styling, you can become a handsome guy and go out immediately. Welcome to leave a comment. Hit the like, share, subscribe buttons, and click the bell to receive notifications of latest videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. You wanna buy Vern Scissors? Get more details in description.